We were recently given some onions by a friend of ours who grew them on an allotment close to ours. As you can see, they're slightly on the large side. They're about the equivalent of 5 standard size onions, but we've got 3 of those big onions still to use up, and we're going to use one of them today to make an onion chutney. Into a preserving pan, put a bit of oil and apply heat. Once the pan is up to heat, add the onion and keep it on the heat for about half an hour, making sure that it's stirred, and the aim is to have these nicely sautéed, ready for the other ingredients to be added. While we're waiting for the onions to cook, we'll have a quick look at the other ingredients needed. So we've got 200 grams of sugar, 250 ml of white wine vinegar, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, and then we've got 1 teaspoonful of ginger, 1 teaspoonful of coriander, already crushed seeds there, 1 teaspoonful of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoonful of cayenne pepper. Right, the onions have been cooking for about half an hour, so it's now time to add in the other ingredients. Now the amount of sugar that you add in is more to taste than anything else, so if you don't want it particularly sweet, then just add less in. Now this is going to be simmered until the amount of juice is reduced by about 50%. Right, it's now reduced down to the consistency of a thick sauce, so that means it is now ready to go into hot sterilised jars. We've got 3 jars from that batch, 3 jars and a little bit, a weeny one. So this is the one we're going to test. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm going to have to eat all of this one now because I've just stuck my spoon in that's been in my mouth. So, sorry everyone. Yeah.